Hi there, this is Rahul Sengupta. I'm the founder director of One Stop Solution Training Academy, India. I'm very happy to say that I have been invited as a guest speaker for the upcoming Converge of the GTC 2020-2021, the first one of its kind Converge in the world. I would like to share my journey with you. As said, being the founder director of the organization, I have started this organization about approximately a decade back. After serving for about 17-18 years into different corporate organizations, somehow I felt that a lot of students, a lot of candidates, a lot of employees are lacking a skill. So I thought of launching the skill development courses. My objective got fulfilled when I started with the soft skill training courses, which included behavioral skills, life skills, communication skills, and others. One Stop Solution, with its journey forward for 4 years, carried forward and took the organization to a level where we got recognized by different companies, from employees to employers. We value only on the trust. We value on the delivery. We value on the confidence of the employers. When we say that we have done a lot to the skill development, we mean we have done a lot to it. Friends, I would like to share my experience with you. Before that, I would like to share about topic relationships at work and at home. When I say relationship at work and at home, these two are different in some angles, as well as these two have a very common factor in them. Let me say what is common here. The first thing which is common in between the relationship at work and at home is, if you have a good relationship in your office, in your business, at your workplace, you can deliver a lot of the good things to the organization. With that, when you are happy, when you get promotions, when you are getting a good salary, you are getting facilities, you are getting weekend offs, you can give time to your family. The family is also happy. While at the other end, if the family understands that you have a lot of responsibility to deliver at your workplace, at your business as an entrepreneur, then the family also supports you. Then you are comfortable and you can give your 100% delivery to the workplace. Relationship, be with your wife, be with your siblings, be with your parents, be with the neighbors, relatives, friends, very, very crucial. It motivates you from inside. The biggest relationship, friend, is with you yourself. You need to have a great relationship with yourself. You have to have confidence within yourself. You have to believe on the relationships. When we speak of relationships at workplace, it means relationship with your colleagues, your boss, your entity, your commitment towards the work, your delivery, everything is important, friends. So there is a very close liaison between the relationship at work and relationship at the home. So we should keep on adding value to the relationships. So thank you very much for your listening to me, and very soon I'll be coming live on the platform of NTI World, and would like to thank specifically one person, Mr. Nishant, who has helped me a lot into this and has given me the opportunity to come up as a guest speaker. And I would also like to tell you that I'll be live on the Channel Talk Show. The dates will be announced by NTI World very soon. So I would like to say that I would like to engage myself into any of these type of activities, like speaking and coming to the platform live and giving a good session to you. We will also have question answers, and we can conduct continuous sessions for you so that it can be give help to you. So till then, friends, take care of yourself and bye bye. See you live soon. Bye.